Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be presenting the strategy for 1.5 days. Right? So of course I would not be telling the things कि भाई आपको जैसे exam से you are coming and then from 7 to 9 is supposed to do this, from 9 to 11 is supposed to do these chapters. I think that is very subjective and I don't think that would give you a lot of benefit. I would be telling you about those mistakes जो मैंने गलतियां करी थी during this 1.5 days जिसकी वजह से I could have failed और some of the things जो मैंने अच्छी चीजें करी थी जो मुझे लगता था कि काफी they were very fruitful, right? So let's get started. First of all, guys, please prioritize your chapters based on their weightage in the question paper and not on the basis of volume. For example, DT में कैपिटल गेन से शुरू कर रहे हैं, नहीं जी वी हैव टू फॉलो क्रोनोलॉजी. डोंट डू सच टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक्स. कैपिटल गेन अगेन वेरी लेस वेटेज इन द एग्जाम हॉल, सो better do those things which has more weightage and are comparative less in volume. International taxation, TDS, FR में those old syllabus in those small chapters, value added, ESOP, NBFC या फिर आपका म्यूचुअल फंड्स एंड ऑल. ये नहीं कि आपने एफआर में स्टार्ट ही कर लिया विद कंसोलिडेशन, बिकॉज गाइस व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट हमें बड़े बड़े चैप्टर्स वी स्टार्ट बट एट द एंड इट्स आवर लॉस. वी आर ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ लीविंग दो स्मॉल चैप्टर्स और वो एग्जाम में जाके बहुत रिग्रेट होता है कि यार वी कुड हैव कवर्ड दीज चैप्टर्स विद इन अ लेस टाइम स्पैन. तो वहां जाके बहुत अफसोस होता है. ठीक है, इन अ सिमिलर वे अगर मैंने एफआर में कंसोलिडेशन बताया आपको, डीटी में कैपिटल गेन बताया आपका, इसका में यू शुड नॉट बी स्टार्टिंग विद चैप्टर नंबर 3 ऑफ इसका, या फिर कॉस्टिंग में स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग. डो नॉट स्टार्ट your preparation don't utilize those 1.5 days with starting these chapters, otherwise it is going to create a mess at the end. ठीक है, and especially audits में guys standards don't do standards first. That was the biggest mistake I did and I think उसकी वजह से I could have failed. With God's grace I passed an audit, but trust me, my whole preparation was very good in audit, but the only mistake I did in that 1.5 days was ऑडिट में मैंने स्टैंडर्ड्स पहले उठा लिया था. डोंट डू दैट फर्स्ट, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं howsoever your preparation is going on, but if you're not able to manage those 1.5 days efficiently, you are going to land yourself in trouble. So audit में कृपया करके प्लीज, इट्स अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, स्टैंडर्ड्स मत उठाना. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर अगले दिन का दोपहर हो गई थी, इट्स बीन आफ्टरनून, मेरा स्टैंडर्ड्स ही खत्म नहीं हुआ था, बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई कुड सी लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑफ अदर ऑडिट्स which I could have managed to complete in 15-20 minutes. And वहां जाके मेरे को ध्यान आ रहा था that I know these questions but I'm not able to do it because I was not left with that time. So please don't pick up standards first. ठीक है, तो पहली चीज हो गई आपको प्रायोरिटाइज करना ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वेटेज, नॉट ऑन योर the quantity it carries. Like SFM में भी जैसे मैंने वीडियो बना रखी, देख लेना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड बी डूइंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स, portfolio, merger and acquisitions. ये नहीं कि you're starting with forex and all. Don't commit such type of mistakes, right? So prioritize on the basis of your weightage, right? Secondly, do not pick up something new. वैसे तो I would say you should not be picking up something new within the last 20 days, but कभी कभी हम लोगों को होता है that नहीं जी 1.5 दिन में हम कुछ ये भी कर लेते हैं. Don't do that. You will be in a great trouble if you do that. Don't see something new. ठीक है. Third thing, मैं ये चीज बोलूंगा that in your some of the theoretical subjects like your DT or your audit specifically, focus more on the questions within those 1.5 days rather than on studying the provisions and all. ठीक है, इसमें question driven चीजें वो they ask more and provision based they ask less. So focus more on the questions rather than focusing more on the provisions during the 1.5 days, right? Fourth thing, I would say grouping in the sense that you should be like many people I have seen say that you don't have time in that 1.5 days, so practice the questions. With all due respect to them, I disagree with it. I think questions करने in that time span जरूरी होते हैं. Like for example, grouping of questions मतलब क्या? Like for example, you have forex, you have like 8 questions of hedging. So I would say at least 1 question of hedging should be done from your own hands. जैसे कि म्यूचुअल फंड्स है, NAV निकालने का कुछ क्वेश्चन है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. you should be doing at least one question of that particular thing. Like the way हम लोग audit में we take out the sample from the population, similarly आपको 1.5 days में भी हर एक टॉपिक में से एक क्वेश्चन जरूर करके जाना है. एंड जो आपके टिपिकल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, मतलब टिपिकल क्वेश्चन मीन वेयर कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर लेस एंड more rectification, more cramming is involved. These questions are something which must be done from your own hands, right? Apart from that, कुछ मैं बात करूंगा theoretical subjects से, because it becomes very fussy for us to complete it in that time frame. First of all guys, please make audio clips. अपनी ऑडियो क्लिप्स बनाओ और उसको सुनो. नाउ ऑडियो क्लिप्स मीन्स व्हाट, कि जैसे आपने एक चैप्टर को पढ़ लिया, देन रिकॉर्ड इट इन योर ओन वॉइस, बट इट्स अ रिकमेंडेशन दैट डू नॉट स्ट्रेच इट टू मच. इफ पॉसिबल ब्रेक इट इनटू 2. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक चैप्टर की अगर बन रही है वेटेज 15-20 मिनट की, इट्स हाईली एडवाइजेबल दैट यू ब्रेक इट इन पार्ट्स. आई मीन लाइक इट शुड बी लाइक 3-part video of 5 minutes each, because 15 मिनट की अगर होगी तो you would never ever be listening to it. Trust me on that. And you will feel very boring also. So highly recommended that you make audio small audio clip, because sometimes we don't feel like studying and we getting it from our bed. So at least वहीं पे बैठा लीड लगाई और we can just listen up to it, right? And also theoretical में यार, find some teachers who can revise the entire course within a short time span. Some of the teachers which I can say is your IDT में I already told Bhanwar, sorry, Brindavan Giri sir, in my IDT's video, in my DT's video I told about Bhanwar Purana sir. IDT में आप Dr. Mahesh Gaur sir की वीडियो देख सकते हो in that 1.5 days. Apart from that, your इसका Amit Tatar sir has uploaded some videos of some of the chapter. I think it was chapter number 1 and 7, so you can watch that. Law and audit के लिए Abhishek Bansal sir, I think he is the best. So of course practical subject में you won't be getting any teachers, but theoretical subject में you can definitely be getting one. Again, I would not say that you should be revising the entire course from their particular teacher, but there are some of the chapters which are not very important and are small, so you can cover those chapters from that videos only. Like for example, Bhanwar Purana sir हैं, उनकी अगेन लाइक द वे आई टोल्ड 70 मार्क्स पोर्शन. इफ यू हैव सीन माय डीटीज वीडियो, अगर नहीं देखी तो प्लीज तो देख लेना. अगेन लाइक द वे आई टेल इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन, पीजीवीपी, टीडीएस, मैट, एएमटी एंड योर चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट. दीस चैप्टर्स हैज टू बी डन. एंड पीजीवीपी द वे आई टोल्ड यू, प्लस माइनस वाला. इसके अलावा चैप्टर विच आर लेफ्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम असेसमेंट, small chapters, your amalgamation, your business trust, those small chapters can be covered from his video, because you would not be getting enough time to do those chapters on your own, right? So you, for the small chapters, you can refer the videos from the YouTube channel, right? And audit के लिए there is also one teacher, सार्थक जैन सर, जो पूरे स्टैंडर्ड्स रिवाइज कराते हैं. बट अगेन स्टैंडर्ड्स शुड बी डन एट द एंड. एंड अगेन ये नहीं कि पूरे के पूरे you have to listen the entire standard video. Like for example, there are 2-3 standard or 4 standard which we tend to forget. Like for example, essay 402, essay 402, which we generally tend to forget. So what you can do is look at like see the 5 to 7 minute video of essay 402, so that it gets winded up within a small time span. Cool. So that you can write something or the other in the exam hall, right? So these are the certain things which I specifically wanted to mention. Apart from that, there are some general things जहाँ पे थोड़ी गलतियां मैंने कर दी थी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, never ever discuss the paper along with your friend. मुझे अभी भी याद है, I mean like it was my DT's exam and मेरा DTW का question went wrong. मेट्रो में I was coming back to my place and मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे हाँ रिवाइज चल लेट्स डिस्कस द पेपर, और उसने मेरा खड़े उसने मेरा DTW का क्वेश्चन गलत करा दिया था. एंड आई वाज सो नर्वस एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि भाई ओ माय गॉड, आई मीन लाइक पेपर वैसे भी कितना कम नंबर का आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड, एंड दैट टू DTW का क्वेश्चन मेरे हाथ से गया. सो that somewhere or the other just broke me from inside. Never ever discussed the paper. और मुझे अभी भी याद है FR, it was my SFM paper and I was just looking at FR's paper and I could still remember कि मेरा 10 से 15 नंबर का question went wrong in FR and I was literally under pressure कि now what, I mean now I would not be able to definitely pass in my SFM exam, and I got hella nervous SFM exam के time पर. So never ever do that mistake. Once the paper is over, it's over. Because guys, तब हमारा जो mental frame होता है ना, mindset होता है ना, it is at another tangent. उस टाइम पे कोई stress एंजाइटी आ गई ना, it will ruin your entire preparation. So just ठान लो. I know that many of us had this curiosity in our mind कि नहीं भाई we should be asking कि भाई ये question मेरा ठीक है कि नहीं है. Though I absolutely understand, I have been a student, I absolutely understand we had that curiosity, but it can lead to, I mean like, बहुत एडवर्स सिचुएशन में आप लोगों को डाल सकती है सब चीजें. डोंट डिस्कस इट विद एनीबडी. ऑफ कोर्स post your exam when you're done with all your exam, then you can discuss it, but please don't do it. I know that thing has damaged me so much. I do not want to, I don't want that same should go with you, so that same should happen with you, so please don't do it. ठीक है. Secondly, मैंने बहुत बड़ी गड़बड़ कर दी थी while the filling the OMR sheet. Do first of all pick up MCQs first and circle. आप क्या करना, जो MCQs आपको पहले आते हैं, the ones you know first, उनको आप फटाफट circle it first, and then हाँ OMR sheet पे there and then write the roll number and all, because I still remember it was my DT's exam and it was 10 minutes were left and I didn't encircle the MCQs. मेरी तोते उड़ गए थे वहां पर, और तब एट द एंड, आई मीन लाइक लास्ट when 10-15 minutes were left, I just encircled MCQs फटाफट, and I still remember I didn't even wrote my roll number on that OMR sheet. Though I was little nervous कि भाई क्या होगा, but somewhere हो दिया था. I think roll number से they must have matched. I mean like you have that barcode number, that OMR answer sheet, so they must have matched it. But मैं वो भी लिखना भूल गया था. So guys, it's highly recommended. First of all, you complete that OMR sheet. जितना MCQ आता है उतना अटेम्प्ट कर लो, और बाद में तो if you're not able to understand something, तो तुक्के लगा के कुछ भी MCQs में सर्कल मार दे जो आपको नहीं आते हैं. ठीक है. Again, one more important thing, while you come back from your examination hall, of course थोड़ा बहुत अभी तो that corona thing is going on, have a bath, काढ़ा पियो, and at least sleep for an hour. It is very very important to eat something and sleep for an hour, because again there's a lot of mental pressure. दिमाग बहुत काम कर रहा होता है. This brain keeps on working, and those days are very very crucial for all of us. So I mean like the brain even gets tired, and even the brain even deserves a break. So do not compromise with your sleep. At least sleep for an hour when you come back from your center. मैंने एक पेपर में I didn't do that, and मुझे अभी भी याद है पूरा टाइम ही I was going through the headache. So please don't do that, right? So this was it from my side. If you have something to ask from me, my email ID is given in the description box. Don't write your query, straight away give me a contact number, I'll call you. And apart from that, if you like the video, hit a thumbs up, and whatsoever recommendation you have for me, please. नया हूँ YouTube, नया नहीं, अब तो हो गया मेरे को. It's been 4 to 4.5 months. फिर भी अगर कुछ लगता है तो please write it in the comment box. I'm still in the learning phase. And subscribe and share this video. I mean like it can be very very fruitful for you guys. किसी के लिए भी it can be fruitful, so share. And apart from that, जो मेरी last video है, which is for the important content which I uploaded last May, for that 1 month, वो आप लोग जरूर देख लेना. उसमें भी I have uploaded निकुंजा सर के questions, and apart from that I have प्रवीण महाजन सर के Super 30 questions. So if in I mean like वो जो set of questions that these will be covering the important things. So please watch that video also if you are watching this video, right? I think इसके अलावा हाँ, one more thing, मैंने I wrote everything in the register because मैं थोड़ा भूल जाता हूँ. One more thing which I remember, हाँ, law, हाँ मैं आपको बताता हूँ. I followed a very smart thing. I still remember मेरा लॉ का एग्जाम था, एंड आई लाइक मेरी प्रिपरेशन चली थी रात को, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल टिल 10:30 I was done with everything except SURFACE, and I thought that SURFACE would take 3 hours more, और 3 घंटे में I would be covering 4 number का question, 4 mark question, and that too I will be getting 2 maximum 2.5 to 3 marks. So should I be giving 3 hours for that 2 to 2.5 marks? I was like no. So what I did was, what smart work I did was, I left SURFACE and I revised the entire syllabus again. So if you're on this verge कि भाई आपके पास टाइम कम बचा है at the end, and you have like 2-3 chapters which carries approximately 5-6 marks, so I would say leave those chapters and डू योर एंटायर सिलेबस अगेन, दैट विल एनहांस योर क्वालिटी. बिकॉज हमें लगता है कि 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन छूट गया, 5 नंबर थ्योरी में मीन दे वुड बी गिविंग यू 3.5 to 4 marks, not more than that. So for 3 to 4.5, it's better to complete the entire syllabus qualitatively and leave those things. And this proved to be very very beneficial and very fruitful for me, right? And I think तो वीडियो का टाइम थोड़ा एक्सीड कर गया है. So this is it from my side. Again I would say like, comment, share and subscribe. Share जरूर करना, it can be very beneficial for all of you, right? And all the best of luck for your exams. Do well.